Hey guys, it's Marberso DC and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, it's graduation day. So, yun guys, kakatapos ko na mag-makeup and ito yung susuotin ko. Parang kakabili ko lang yun kahapon na actually. So, look at my vanity. Halata naman na dami kong mga pinagagawa sa aking face. So, ayun, nakapack na lahat actually kagabi pa. And yun nga yun, parang nahirapan ako makatulog kasi hinihintay ko na lang. And this is it guys. After what happened on 2024 na nag-drop ako and then I later continue on June 25, 2025 and then graduation na namin. Okay, makakapagtapos na talaga ako. So, ayun, I'm gonna meet my mom on the school and then sabay na kami papunta dun sa venue. So, ayun guys, I'm gonna see you guys later. Okay? Hi guys, so nandito na ako sa school. Which is hinintay ko si mama kasi mayroong lupin sa kanya. Yung DVD pa kasi here. So, ayun, tayo ko lang and I'm just enjoying this final moments. Hi guys, so kasama ko na ngayon si mama ko. Ayan. So, hihintay na lang namin yung mga iba pang sasakay and then punta na doon. So, sumakay kami dito sa UDD Jeep or Universidad de Dagupan Jeepney or electric bus to eh. So, ayan. Hey guys, so we are now here at the graduation venue and I'm with
Adrian Manalo.
yes. So ito naman, okay, see? What's your
Hi,
name?
Ivan.
Hi guys, so nangintay pa rin kami ngayon and ito si Nyi.
Hi.
Yan siya. So, ito naman si Aya.
Hi guys!
Ayun guys, so entrance muna kami and then uupo na. Then doon na mag-start yung program.
and New York universities. Academic gowns can be classified into
Hi guys.
and one's
Anong nafe-feel mo right now, Violet?
this leadership philosophy.
What do you feel right
Why
now?
have I shared to you the leadership philosophy? Because
Ito naman, ikaw naman, Dylan.
our students
Yan,
will
chill lang
become
siya.
leaders in their own
Yeah,
lives.
siya lang.
And Mr. Carl Jason E. Paraan, Bachelor of Arts in Communication, magna cum laude. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Jason A. Paraan.
Personal P, Loyalty Awardee, parents, Miss Risa de la Cruz, Esquerra Dylan Ivan Elma, Clarence, Mr. and Mrs. Arnold Fernandez, Garcia Aya Lorraine